Photosynthesis. Question and answer. Name the following. Plants that prepare their own food. Green plants. The process by which green plants make their own food. Photosynthesis. The plastid that helps in photosynthesis. Chloroplast. The pigment present in the green plants. Chlorophyll. The pores present in the leaves which help in the exchange of gases. Stomata. The bean-shaped cell present in the stomata. Guard cells. The transport system in plants. Xylem and phloem tissues. The two types of conducting tissues. Xylem and phloem. The tissue that transport the water and minerals. Xylem. The formula of glucose. C6H12O6. The optimum temperature needed for photosynthesis. 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. The two end products of photosynthesis. Glucose and oxygen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more information.